Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the glove box and placing a soft cloth beneath to protect trim. Use a Phillips hash 1 and 8 mm socket. Keep a flat pry tool handy. Open the glove box fully, then press the small plastic side stops inward while supporting the door so it won't drop. Once the stops are freed, lower the glove box slowly to expose the hinge screws and damper. Make sure to note where each screw and clip sits for reassembly. This prevents confusion later. With the box supported, remove the hinge bolts using the 8 mm socket. Do one side a little at a time so the door stays stable. Next, locate the plastic damper on the glove box edge and either unclip or unbolt it. This is what slows closing and can bind. If there's a courtesy light or sensor connector, depress the tab and pull straight out to avoid breaking pins. Once clips and connectors are free, you can tilt and extract the glove box from the dash opening. Reinstall by positioning the glove box into its opening, aligning hinges, and reconnecting the damper and any electrical plugs. Tighten hinge bolts evenly but not over tight. Once secured, cycle the door several times to confirm smooth travel and that the side stops engage cleanly and the lid sits flush. Make sure the damper slows the door without binding. If the box is stiff or rattles, check for misaligned clips, a damaged damper, or debris caught in the hinge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.